All right, guys. Coming back again today, day 11. I just want to show you guys how to use credit or debit card to buy your Bitcoin so you can buy Ripple because it's really frustrating that it's taking so long for me or for the bank to process the transfer from my investment account to my bank account and then from my bank account to Coinbase. So we're going to go in Coinbase here. You can select from your bank account or credit card or debit card to invest. With credit card and debit card, it's instant, right? So you don't have to wait 3 or 7 days for your money to come in from your bank account. So with price of Ripple going up, I just can't wait anymore. So we're going to click on this, right? But I guess not the drawback, but there's limitation in credit card, debit card investment. They allow you only to invest in so much dollars from your debit or credit card per week. So this week is $235, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the max, 235, right? And all right, so this is what my fees is going to be. Basically, it's $7.68. I'm going to buy this. Again, just click on buy Bitcoin instantly, $235. Bam. And then you go here and you confirm the buy. Okay. Okay. So that's that. Then you can go to the GDAX. Let's see here. So let it refresh. Let's go deposit. The money has not come through yet. No, let's do 0. Let's go back to Coinbase. It says your purchase was successful. Okay. Takes a while for it to update, maybe 5 to 15 minutes. Okay. Let's just hit refresh again, see what happens. If not, we'll come back and we'll start the process. Okay. Let's go here. It's out of here. Accounts. Yep. Money still has not been come through. So dashboard. All right, let's come back and continue with this once it's refreshed and you see the money coming in, the funds coming in. Then we'll go into Binance and buy Ripple. Okay, while we're waiting for my funds to come in through my credit card purchase, what you want to go to is Binance, Binance.com, and you'll log in, right, to get into your Binance account. Okay, and then you go through this step. Right, you got to match everything up. Success, and then it's gonna send you a code. And that code will change every time you log in to make sure that no one has access to your website, to your account. Type in that code and you're in. Okay? So basically when you're in, you can go to funds, you can click here on funds, deposits and withdrawals. Click on here. And you're going to find your Bitcoin deposit address. You'll get this this code here, that's where it's going to tell you where to send in the Bitcoin from GDAX, right? You're going to send once the fund goes into. All right, guys, I'm back. So here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to go send. Now what we want to do, the money has come into our Coinbase account. What we want to do is now deposit the Coinbase into Binance. The Bitcoin from Coinbase into Binance. You want to click on deposit. When you get that, you copy this, right? This is where you want to send the money to. You hit copy. You make sure you pick up this last 3 letters, NWN, and then you come over to your Coinbase account and you want to click send, and then you enter the address that we just NWN right there, okay? And what we want to do is send the maximum amount, right? And click continue. And then it's going to send you a text that you're going to enter to confirm that it is you sending the money. Okay. Transaction is on its way. Then you come over to Binance. All right. And you see, let's see, you go to the funds, you go to history. Right. All right, guys, the money has now come into Binance. So as you can see, this is starting to hit a new low. So I'm going to go ahead and buy here if this thing works. So I'm going to buy. I'm just going to buy right here at near the market price, 100%. I'm going to go all in, and I'm going to hit buy. There you go. The transaction succeeded, and you want to buy in the downtrend. You see, that's where you want to buy when everybody's selling. So you go against the herd. So people are selling. It's getting to the low point. The low point is around here. Okay, that's the low point here. Is 15. If my thing will work. There we go. That's the low point. I bought at 16 right there. So that's where you want to be. You want to look at this, what they call the candlestick. Reds represent people are selling, green are people buying. You want to go against the herd. You also want to come over here and look at what people, on the top part is what people are selling, what people are wanting to buy in at. You can also look at the depth chart as well. Okay. It's taking a while to think here. Anyway, it's thinking. So you can look at the depth chart and see how many sellers. If there are more sellers in a graphical representation, you know the price is going to fall. So unless more buyers come in, but you can pretty much tell by looking at it. If there's more red, it's probably a good time for you to buy in. You can look at it just the buyers by itself or the sellers here. So this Binance website, it's not working properly here because it seems like a lot of people are coming in to trade. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. You want to look at the depth chart. You want to look at the volume in the depth. And then you want to look at here by itself, just the buyers, the sellers. Come on. Yeah, sometimes it's frustrating just waiting for the site to work. As you can see, I'm still waiting for funds to come in. It's taking forever, which is a bit upsetting when you're seeing cryptocurrency that you want to buy, the price is going up. So I'm waiting for some funds to come in, $2,000 come in through here. I did it like in 2 batch. My first batch is not even come in a week, and that's why they need to use the Ripple technology, because the traditional bank of sending funds from one place to the next, they charge you a lot of fees and takes forever. So that's why I recommend everyone to look into, if you have discretionary income, look into buying Ripple and Cardano, right? Those are two stocks that has been going up recently in the past month or so because of their technology, and people are buying into it. Okay, so let's come back to here. Looks like this is still not, the screen stuck. So, all right, so at least you show how I bought the stock near the lowest point. So, all right, good.